Hi, I want to show you the easiest way to install pull-out shelves. This is a grid system that came with the cabinets. And all you do is put your slides in like this. And that's it. That just probably saved me a good half hour. Then you just put your drawer in. Soft close undermount slides. And they're fully height adjustable. You just take this out like this. Take your slide, put it where you want. And you put your drawer back in. I did 8 drawers. I did these 2 over here. Did these 2 over here. And these 4. All in a matter of less than 10 minutes. So it's the quickest, fastest, easiest, height adjustable shelving system you can get on the market today.